In other news, former Police Commissioner Owen Ellington has been summoned to appear before the Contractor General tomorrow morning to answer questions about a contract awarded to Millennium Security Limited (MSL) by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company (JUTC). This was confirmed by attorney-at-law Hugh Wildman, who represented both MSL and Mr. Ellington.
My client is summoned to answer questions and to produce documents concerning this particular investigation. We have nothing to hide. We are clear in terms of what happened, and whatever work that was done for the JUTC was done in a very arm's-length manner, a bona fide, and there's nothing to hide.
The OCG probe stems from allegations that the contract was awarded to MSL without public tender and was in breach of government's procurement regulations. JUTC insists there was no contract. The managing director of the state-run bus company, Paul Abrams, was questioned by the OCG on Tuesday and was also asked to hand over documents.